Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add image overlays in InShot. InShot is a versatile and user-friendly video editing application that allows users to enhance their video with creative tools and visual elements. And one of its powerful features is the ability to add image overlays, enable you to place photos, logos, screenshot or the graphics on top of your video, making your content more informative and visually appealing. So in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to add image overlays in InShot quickly and professionally. First, open your InShot, and once you reach into this InShot dashboard, tap on this video from the home screen. Over here you can either select the video from your gallery, or you can also tap on this draft, as I'm going to select this draft here. And once you reach into this timeline, what you can do is you need to tap on the bottom left plus icon there. Over here we can find there's an option for the video or photo. Tap on this video or photo, and over here you'll get access to your video or photo. Simply select one of the image that you want to put into your video here and tap on the check mark in the bottom right, and your selected image will now appear on top of your video. And that is it. Adding image overlays in InShot is simple yet powerful way to enhance your videos with logos, screenshot or creative graphic. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.